Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to another Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Revolut and log into your account. Okay, so once I've logged into your account here now, what are you going to do now here? So you're going to click on this transfer up tab here. So click on the transfer tab. Okay, so hit on the transfer tab and then on your top right here click on new, and then what you're going to do, you're going to type in add new bank recipient. So click on bank recipient. Okay, so click on that, and here my screen might black out due to security and privacy reasons as I'm screen recording. So here, this is where you need to enter the account details of your receiver. So you just have to enter the account details of the receiver, but make sure to provide their Revolut account details, not their local details, their Revolut account details. So all you have to do is just put in the Revolut account details and then proceed to next, and then type in the amount you wish to send and then complete the transaction, and that's how you send. So usually you can get the Revolut transaction details if you go to your home page, home tab here. So your receiver should able to see when they log into your to their Revolut on their home page here. They should under their account, Revolut account, they should have this details tab here. If they hit on details here, they should see the details of their Revolut bank account. So this is the details that you need from your receiver. So get that details from them and then complete the transaction, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.